You ever have one of those days where nothing technically goes wrong, but you still feel off? Like you're behind on life even though you just woke up? Most of that feeling comes from the tiny habits we don't even notice. So today, I want to give you 10 ridiculously small habits that can actually change your life. And I know that sounds dramatic, but hear me out. Habit number 1. The 1-minute reset. Here's the rule. If something takes less than a minute, do it now. Put the dish in the sink, send the quick text, throw out the empty snack wrapper you've been pretending not to see. It sounds dumb, but doing these tiny resets keeps your brain from feeling like your whole life is a mess. And that feeling? That's what leads to procrastination spirals. Habit number 2. Touch grass, literally. Every day, step outside for 60 seconds. Morning, afternoon, whenever. There's something about being in sunlight, even for 1 minute, that snaps you out of autopilot, especially on those heavy school days where every assignment feels like a 90-pound weight. Habit number 3. Micro-journaling. Forget the whole aesthetic notebook thing. Just write one sentence. How am I feeling right now? It forces your brain to stop running and actually check in. This habit alone has saved me from so many burnout cycles because I catch myself before the meltdown. Habit number 4. 2-minute tidy. Set a 2-minute timer. Clean whatever's in front of you. When the timer ends, you stop. The secret? Your brain sees progress and wants more. It's like tricking yourself into productivity without the pressure. Habit number 5. Drink water. Before you check your phone. First thing in the morning, before unlocking your screen, take 1 sip of water. This does 2 things. You actually start hydrating. You break the doom scroll before I'm fully conscious habit that wrecks your focus. Habit number 6. The 5% rule. If you feel stuck, do just 5% of the task. Write 1 sentence, read 1 page, do 1 push-up. You'll either finish the whole thing without thinking, or at least you'll break the paralysis. Habit number 7. Celebrate the invisible wins. We're so good at beating ourselves up for failing, but terrible at noticing progress. End each day with 1 sentence. What's one thing I did today that future me will appreciate? Could be tiny. Didn't skip breakfast. Sent that email. Didn't snap at my brother, even though he deserved it. These micro wins keep your motivation alive. Habit number 8. Put your phone across the room. Not off. Not in another dimension. Just across the room. Suddenly, checking Instagram requires effort, and that friction alone can save you from a whole hour of scrolling you didn't mean to do. Habit number 9. The 30-second breath check. Once a day, stop and take 5 slow breaths. That's it. You'd be shocked how often we're stressed without realizing it. This resets your nervous system and makes everything feel 10% less chaotic. Habit number 10. Ask one better question. Every morning ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today that would make everything else easier? Not perfect, not impressive, just easier. Your brain loves clarity, but most days we give it chaos. So yeah, these habits are small, almost stupidly small. But that's the whole point. Big changes come from tiny things done consistently. And if you pick even one of these habits and start today, future you is going to look back and be like, yo, that was the moment everything shifted. If you want more videos like this, tiny habits, productivity, getting your life together, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me which habit you're starting with. Let's build the life we want, one tiny step at a time.